Hey guys, it's Kyla. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another Boxycharm unboxing for the month of June. And this is what the box looks like. Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription box that is $21 a month, and it comes with about 5 products, beauty products, every month. And I love it. So if you want to see what's inside this month's box, then keep on watching. So when you open it up, it just looks like this. It has like all their socials up here, and it says hello charmer, very cute. So what just fell is like this little card, and it says make waves, and it's just like their theme for the month or whatever. And then on the back it has all the products, a little description about them, and their prices as well. The first thing, yo, I'm literally so excited about this month because of one specific thing, but okay. So the first thing is this Xoxo London Eye Lustre cream eyeshadow. I don't know how to say that, but it's a cream eyeshadow. Looks really cute. It's like pink with like gold stars on the background. I love that packaging. It's really cute. So this is what it looks like. But anyway, it is in the shade Cupid. So it's like a pink iridescent color, and ooh, this is so pretty. Okay, I'm excited. I really hope this looks the same. Ooh, I like that. I like that. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It is very, very pigmented. I think it's really, really pretty. It has a lot of like gold sparkles in it, and I can't wait to see how it looks when it's actually dried. So we have a Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Stone. Okay, it's in the shade Stone, if I can get it open. Okay, so I've always wanted to try one of these lipsticks because I don't know, I just really like the packaging. It's like a frosted packaging or whatever. And just looking at this from the outside, I'll probably really like this color. This looks like a color I would typically go for. Yep. It's like a mauve-y pink color. You can see it there beside the shadow. This is definitely a color I would use, and I'm sure most people would reach for in just like a everyday routine, or even like a glammed smoky eye. So I like that. Okay, so next we have a Bodygraphy eyeliner pencil in the shade Emerald. So I'm guessing it's gonna be like a green. Okay, so it's like a dark teal color, which I think is pretty cool. I would probably not really reach for this color, but I still think it's very pretty for someone who does more adventurous looks or something like that. I think it's a pretty color, and it's very easy to build the color as well, so someone could definitely get some good use out of that. All right, this next thing, I really don't know how to say it. Alamar Color Blush Trio. Interesting. Okay. And Scorcher. Okay. Okay. They say it on there. This one is Castaway, Paraiso or Pariso, however that's said, and Castaway is here. I don't really like this on my first impressions, like just looking at it, because these are really, really orange blushes. Like this is literally orange, and then this is like a darker orange. This is the only one in the middle that I would maybe use. So I don't know how I feel about this. Whoa. Well, touching them, they're very, very smooth. That's for sure. They're very, very smooth. But they're just, like I said, out of my color scheme. Like, I'm not going to put that on my cheeks. Like I said, maybe the one over here. If I did use this, I would definitely probably use it like for eyeshadow, like a different look that I'm doing. but to use this for blush kind of scares me personally. Made me get the box, or like want the box. So last but not least, and the product that I was so excited for, and the reason I was so like wanting this box to come, I literally stalked my mailman. I heard him pull up, and then I ran over to the door and looked out the window, and as soon as he dropped it off, I watched him walk all the way up to my house, to my door, and as soon as he put it in my storm door, I literally like freaked out. But I didn't want to just open the door and be all creepy, so I waited for him to walk back to the truck or whatever it's called, and I grabbed it so quick and I just ran upstairs and I was like, I cannot wait to film this. Alright, so I was like, I cannot wait to film this. Alright, so this is the Glam Glow. Yes, you heard that right. We got a Glam Glow product this month, and it is the Gentle Bubble Cleanser. And hello, look at this packaging. Like, this is, you cannot tell me this is not the most beautiful thing. I cannot get it opened. Ugh. Oh my gosh. And this is literally just as beautiful. I just cannot get over this. It's so pretty. I love this. It doesn't really smell like anything. And it's white. If you can see in there, it's definitely white. Definitely white. But who cares? It would be cool if it like could somehow be like marbly like this. I think that'd be cool. Oh, so now I'm going to tell you the prices for everything. Okay, so first I'll just start with the Glam Glow Cleanser, since that's the one we just ended on. The Glam Glow Gentle Bubble. So I'm just going to like read a little bit of the card about it. The oat amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. So that's cool. It's vegan, and that's just awesome. So if you're vegan, you can definitely use this. All right, next I'm going to go with the Alamar Blush Trio. Formulated to gently glide endlessly over your cheeks with a buttery smooth, high pigmented, and completely vegan formula, delivers a sun-kissed flush without damage of the rays. And that is another vegan product, so I guess they're going with a vegan theme this month. This retails for $22. Alright, next we'll do the Ciate London. It says it will help you create a long-lasting, shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic, glittering liquid eyeshadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for a sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. So that's cool. It is very versatile, and this is also $22. Next, we'll do the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Stone. This has a very velvety, high-fashion matte finish, which envelops lips in rich, long-wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes, it dries to an ultra-comfortable matte finish, and this retails for $18. And then last, we'll do the eyeliner pencil in the shade Emerald. This is also vegan, once again, cruelty-free lip pencil. It is antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. The smooth yet long-wearing formula glides on effortlessly. What? The formula glides on effortlessly, delivering durable pigment that can frame, fill in, and define the lips. This is $14. So this added up to be $104, which isn't the most expensive Boxycharm box that I've received. It is honestly on the lower end of the price range, but again, you're only spending $21 a month for this. Three out of the 5 products were over $21 alone, so I think that's pretty good. My favorite things were the cream eyeshadow, the liquid lipstick, and the Glam Glow. Probably end up passing these 2 things along to someone else who would actually use them versus just sitting in my makeup collection with 500 million other things that I don't really use. So I'd rather someone else get some use out of these that would actually like and enjoy them. So I'm very excited to try these things out. Comment down below. So I'm very excited to try these things out. Comment down below what your favorite thing is in the box or what you're most excited to try. Thank you guys so much for watching this Boxycharm unboxing for the month of June. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications.